really simple and effective way of practicing spelling rules is something like this. A whiteboard or a large sheet of paper, loads of different coloured pens, and just get children to play with words. So for this activity, we're looking at adding the suffix able or ible to the end of a word. And the aim of this is for them to play with it, experiment, and then see if they can come up with some kind of rule or pattern that they've spotted by the end of it. So all I've done here is put the start of some of the words with spaces for able or ible, and they're just going to have a go at adding able or ible to each of these. 1, to see if they look right, 2, to see if they sound right. So they might look at this to start off with and say hor, and then they might go, oh, horrible, horrible, and they might think it's an able. And then if they write it down in here, they may then look at that, notice that it doesn't quite look right, and then all they've got to do is take away the A and add the I to it, and they'll probably go, that looks a bit better. So we're already experimenting, playing, and it's getting those links in their head straight away. Then once we've filled in all the suffixes and are happy with them, we can look for patterns, which we would have been doing as we were going. So we might start thinking that actually those words that usually end in an E, we take them out, and then we always add able onto the end of them, like these ones, and hopefully writing it out like this will help them to see that as well. Those words that have a double consonant before we add the suffix seem to end in ible as well. So they will start spotting patterns. You haven't taught them, they've taught themselves, which means those connections will have been made more strongly, they will have learnt more, and they feel like they're in charge of their own learning because they've done all of the hard work.